My name is Chintaka. Chintaka. So I'm from Sri Lanka in Candy. Yeah, my brother is also from Candy. I joined with him uh, as his request. My brother wants to do this, so I came to help him actually. And professionally, I work some food industry in Sri Lanka also. Yeah, actually, we have plan. We have plan. Uh, Actually, now we feel this space is not enough for the requirements. So we will plan to uh, have another branch in Karachi also, in the H area especially. We will go for that near future, and maybe Islamabad and other cities. Near about 50 items, yes, belong to Sri Lanka. Some actually sometimes we have mixed our cultures. This is some mixing with some Chinese and Indian and all. Yeah, very good response. Actually, we are only 20 days by today. 20 days. We have very good response from Pakistanians. They have very loud Sri Lankan food. Uh, in my experience, last Sunday, there was a queue here. Some people waiting outside. Two families were waiting 20 days. I think we are very successful because it's a very good demand. Pakistanians very much like our Sri Lankan food. I think the environment we made. This is actually a Sri Lankan environment when we are getting into. They feel some Sri Lankan environment. We are based on our Sri Lankan traditional and Sri Lankan cuisines with making with rice based, and we use coconut. We use Sri Lankan spicy, especially Sri Lankan spice we bought from Sri Lanka. Naturally Sri Lankan foods.